Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I got an AWS alert email and honestly, my first thought was my account is hacked. But when I start checking, the real issue was something very different. So let's see the email that I have received first. So guys, as you know, I have created a AWS Free Tier account and there we have limit for every services. So guys, if you see here, I have received an alert that your account has exceeded 85% of the usage limit for one or more AWS services. So if you see here in this table, for queue service, I've used 861K requests out of 1 million requests. So here I have used 86% of the free tier limit. And if it exceeds 1 million requests, I'll start getting billed for these requests. So I thought someone is misusing my SQS queue. So guys, I'll show you how to debug this and how we can resolve it. Okay, so let's go to this AWS console. So here first we'll open billing and cost management service. So guys, this is the home page of billing and cost management. Here, let's click on this bills. So guys, this is the bill for February month. And here you can see the billing period is February 1 to February 28. Okay. So guys, here if we scroll down, so here we have all the services that we used in this month. So here if we see there is this SQS simple queue service. Let's expand this. So guys, if you see here for this SQS, the cost is zero only right now because we are still in free tier limit. And here, if I'll just expand this Mumbai because we are using only Mumbai region. So let's expand this. And here if we see for FIFO queue, we have used 76K request. And for normal SQS, for standard SQS, we have used 859K requests. So guys, that means the alert email that we have received is correct. Someone is using our SQS. So let's see how to check that. So for that, first we'll go to CloudTrail. So guys, CloudTrail is a service where we can check all the activities related to our services. Here we can check any suspicious activity and all. It's kind of a CCTV of AWS. Okay, let's just click on this and here we'll open event history. Now guys, in this lookup attributes, we have to select event source and in the value we have to put SQS. So here we have to put sqs.amazonaws.com and in the time range we'll select last 4 weeks. So I'll click on this custom range and here I'll provide 4 weeks and apply. So guys, if you see here in the event history, we have only 22 events. Okay, and all the events are coming from the Dev by Shashank user only. So these are normal events. No one is logged into my account by any credentials. So guys, what we'll do, we'll go to SQS and there we'll see the matrices. So let's open SQS. So guys, in the last 2 months, I have created only these 10 SQS. Okay, so here I'll sort it by created date in the ascending order. So this is the oldest SQS that I have created. Okay, I'll open it and here I'll have to go into the monitoring section. So guys, let's check the date. So guys, I have created this SQS on 24 December. So let's select the time range according to that. Here I'll click on this absolute and here I'll select from 24 December to yesterday's date. Click on this apply. So guys, if you see here, right now there is no message available in this SQS. The value is 0 only. Let's see one more matrices here, number of messages received. So no one is sending any message to this SQS as well. So we have received only few messages while testing something. Okay, apart from that, we have not received any other messages. But if you see here in this metric, number of empty receives, here we have so much data. Okay, if I just hover on it and if we scroll down, in the sum it's 503K. So guys, what is this? Number of empty receives. So guys, let's just see what is happening. I'll scroll up and I'll go into this Lambda triggers. So guys, I have added this SQS trigger on this Lambda, dev by Shashank SQS consumer Lambda. Let's open this Lambda first. So guys, this is the Lambda. Let's open it. So guys, here we have this SQS trigger. Let's click on it. So guys, here if you see the state is enabled only, we have not changed the state to disabled. So guys, what is happening for the last 1.5 months? We have not pushed any message to this SQS, but this Lambda is trying to fetch the messages from this SQS. And there is no message in our SQS, so it's receiving empty list. That's why right now the duration is last 3 hours only. So guys, if you see here, the value is 12 for every minute. Lambda is trying to read the messages from this SQS 12 times in a minute. So guys, to resolve it, we'll have to disable our SQS trigger. So let's go to Lambda and disable it. We'll click on this edit. And here we'll uncheck this activate trigger and just save the changes. It's getting disabled. Let's wait for a few seconds. Let's refresh it. So guys, the state is disabled now. Let's go to SQS. And here it will take up to 2-3 minutes. So let's expand it. And here we'll select last 15 minutes. Okay. And now let's wait for 2 minutes. So guys, after 2 minutes, if you see here, the number of empty received messages is come to 0. So guys, if you have also created SQS and if your testing is done, then you can delete the resources, or if you want, you can disable the SQS trigger in the Lambda side. And don't panic guys, it's just a monthly limit. And in the next month, you will again get 1 million requests in SQS. So guys, please check your emails regularly. And if you receive any email from AWS, just see it. And if you have any doubt related to this, please put it in the comment box. So thank you guys for watching this video. In the next video, we'll see what are Lambda destinations. And there we'll see success and failure flows as well. And if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. And if you have any doubt, just put it in the comment box.